This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make donuts without holes. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of warm milk, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Also, have 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1 packet of active dry yeast ready. Having everything measured and prepared beforehand makes the baking process much smoother and more enjoyable. This simple preparation ensures a delightful baking experience for everyone. Now let's get our dough ready. First, activate your yeast by dissolving 1 packet in 1/2 cup of warm milk with a pinch of sugar. Let it sit for 5 minutes. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Add the yeast mixture, 1 egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Knead the dough on a lightly floured surface for 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This step is crucial for a soft, fluffy donut. After kneading, it's time for the dough to rise. Place your smooth dough in a lightly greased bowl, cover it with a clean cloth, and let it proof in a warm spot for about 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough and roll it out on a floured surface to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a 3-inch round cookie cutter to create your hole-less donut shapes. This ensures uniform size and perfect frying. Finally, let's fry and finish our delicious donuts. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil, frying them for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Remove them with a slotted spoon and draining excess oil on a wire rack. While still warm, dip them into a simple glaze made from powdered sugar and a splash of milk for a sweet finish. Enjoy your homemade, hole-less donuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.